Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add curve card to Samsung Wallet. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to your Samsung Wallet. So open your mobile phone, click on the wallet icon on your Samsung mobile phone and it will open up the Samsung Wallet. Here, you're going to see quick access and all option. So click on quick access and click on the plus icon at the top right. Now, when you click on the plus icon, it will show up different things to add to your wallet. So we are going to click on credit or debit cards. Now, allow to use pictures. Now, as you can see, you can easily position your card inside this frame and your curve card will be added to your Samsung wallet. What you can also do is click on add by tapping and you have to basically place the back of your phone against your curve card and only card with NFC logo are supported. Now, if NFC logos are not supported on your curve card, click on add card manually. After you do this, you'll have to add the card number, the card holder name and click on next. After you complete this step, you would have successfully added your curve card to Samsung wallet. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.